Say that again.
I'll take him to custody if you want to stay on the pass.
Got him.
Step back. Wait.
Hey! Get back!
Don't fucking move right now.
437.
Stop.
Attempting to run. Hey! Taser! 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 Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car right now! Out of the car! Airplane! Stop the car! Do it now! I will fucking shoot you! I will shoot you! Stop the car right now! Stop the car! Stop the car! Do it now! Stop the car! Stop the car! 439, shots fired! Shots fired! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the car! Do it now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Do it now! Hands up when you see him! Hands up when you see him!
Hands up, passenger! Don't move! Hands out of the car! Don't move! Hands out of the car! Fucking shot my kid! You motherfucker!
Get on the passenger! Get on the passenger!
Hands up, passenger! Hands up! Hands out of the car!
Hands out of the car! Where I can see him! 439 stage medical.
Ambulance!
I got medical coming!
You fucking shot him! Are you for real?
The door is stuck. I can't get it open. They're gonna have to go for the passenger side.
I need you both to put your hands out the window! My fucking dog! Hands out the window! Now!
Sumner, we're getting passenger out. Passenger!
The driver door is stuck. I need the passenger out.
We're getting it.
Okay.
I'm bleeding really bad.
I got medical coming. You need to stay calm. Stay calm.
Open the door. Passenger!
Okay, okay. I'm getting there.
Get him an ambulance!
I got ambulance coming. Passenger, I need you to get out so I can get to him, please. The door is stuck. I need you to get out of the passenger side.
I'm holding his arm from bleeding.
I have a tourniquet. I need to get it to him.
Oh my God! Sir, I need you, passenger, I need you to get hands out of the car now so we can render aid. Please get your hands out of the...
Can you open that door from the inside?
Okay, come out with your hands up.
Slowly.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Fucking shot our dog. Come out with your hands up. Hands up.
Get out of the car.
Hands
Slow,
up.
slow. Face the bed. Face the bed.
Passenger, walk towards our boys. Now.
I need you to stay calm, okay?
Face away from us.
Dad, am I gonna die?
Keep walking back. Keep walking back. Passenger,
Keep
walk
step
back.
to me. Step towards
Walk
me.
back.
Keep walking backwards. Hands up,
Walk
back towards
back.
me.
Get down to your knees now.
Sir, am I gonna die?
No, you're not gonna die.
Put the hand, no.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hands on your head.
I just didn't want to go to jail. We don't have any weapons.
On top of your head. Don't waste your finger.
Get their handcuffs.
My dad's injured. Please, please, you guys be careful. Please leave you with him, please. It wasn't his idea. It was mine. Okay.
Stand right where you are.
Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach.
439. Tourniquet applied.
Did you get him in handcuffs? Have to get their hands.
Yep.
You have
Dad, I'm sorry. I love you.
439. Tourniquet applied.
just stand right where you're at. Don't move. Get him in handcuffs.
Ow. Ow.
Hey, don't stop.
He's not resisting, please.
Just
A firm. Tourniquet
He's
applied.
got a bad shoulder.
which one's your bad shoulder? There, right on the second Okay, pat down for Don't move. 440-437-439.
I'm really sorry, sir.
Rolling over.
That was a stupid idea.
No, I'm
You ran my patrol car, and I thought you were going to run us over. That's why I shot
trying to
you.
run you over. I wasn't.
He needs a gunshot wound
Roll you up
on his arm. Tourniquet supply.
I want you to run your legs forward. Put your legs forward. Okay, now we're going to roll you
I got blood on me too, so
How
I'm
long ago did you put this on?
like 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
See the only shot?
You feel me touching right here?
Okay, I'm just going to do it quick.
You feel me right here?
Make sure you don't
So
have
just got one tase and then one gunshot?
One tase, yep.
Okay. What do you need?
I'm gonna get cleaned up. That's what I need. Everybody's in custody. I don't know if the dog's okay or not. There was.
Come out right here. Okay. Just stay steady.
weapons more than anything. The weapons in the car.
Get that ambulance just a little bit closer. We'll come right here.
I need to get pictures.
What's up?
Did you kill? Is
Yep.
Got no
Good.
injuries. He's got
I'm okay. I just need to get cleaned up. Are you okay?
I'm gonna walk into the ambulance.
Yeah, we need to stay with him. Stay with
I
him.
love you, son.
We'll move that. Get out.
Out of the picture.
Get the back too. He's bleeding on his hand. Left hand.
Left hand?
Do you guys know if there's any kind of drug use with that guy or anything?
Probably heroin. There's a.
Check that back. I'm gonna check it.
Yeah, I got it.
And how's this guy related to the incident?
He was in the passenger seat.
Okay, he's driving.
Yep.
He's in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Okay. No injuries to this guy?
Are you hurt?
Just what I'm heard from originally.
From what?
I've got arthritis, bad, no, nothing from the
Okay.
that I know
Okay.
of.
All right. So you're not seriously hurt.
Nothing I know
Okay.
of.
Himes, take my phone, get pictures of him in the ambulance. I got this guy. Yep. I need to get cleaned up.
I'll watch them. You got photos?
So you look like you got powder.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
You just need to like. Okay, are you good?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm
Let's
okay.
get medical, check you out, and then you're done.
Yeah. Hold on.
Get this arm out.
Okay, Joe, did you take
They're gonna
shots?
do it inside back.
I did not take shots. I'm okay.
Okay.
Check me though.
Did
Do a
anybody,
physical
did
check.
he take shots?
Nobody took rounds. I
No,
was the
I'm
only
sa-
one that shot.
Okay, you were the only one that shot?
Yeah.
We'll take care of this. Why don't you just hang tight in a
Okay.
vehicle? We'll take care of everything.
All right.
Hey, you just get cleaned up. I'll call. Okay.
Yep. Call him.
I got
he,
it.
He called me already.
Do you need to be checked medically?
No, he's just got some blood on him. Yeah, I think you can check him on the handcuffs. I need to get cleaned up. I'm gonna be out. So.
Hey, Chief, you guys grab our bag and stuff like that? Just look at it. That one. Yeah, both the tack bags are.
Inside my driver's door. I've
Yes,
got-
I need to get
inside
cleaned
my-
up.
Inside my driver's door, I've got.
Thank you.
for your I'm correcting, sir. You shot him right.
Yeah, I shot him.
Just one round.
It was 4 to 5, I believe.
Okay. You got a 45.
I have a 9mm. Yeah.
How many times did you shoot?
Well, I believe it was 5 times.
Okay. So we can go.
I can do a round count. Yeah, it was from.
Well, we'll do that later.
Yeah.
What about that?
Right in front of my patrol car.
Okay. So this is your car?
Yep.
Okay. So right now we're just gonna have you hang out in somebody else's patrol car for now.
Okay. And I'm the supervisor, so if somebody who is a can take over. So.
Yeah, him and I'll help out.
Yep, that would be great. Thank you.
Have you guys contacted your commander yet?
Yeah, I'm on the phone with him right now since I'm a little shaken up still.
Okay. So just kind of hang out in somebody else's car. Don't worry about counting your weapon or anything.
Okay.
Do you need to?
I'm just cleaning up the blood. So I applied the tourniquet to his arm.
And we have nobody else outstanding?
No, there's only the
just
two.
The two? Okay.
Yeah. There's his dog is DOA on the side. That's it.
So we're gonna get it all roped off. So are you on right now?
What's that?
Are you on still?
Yeah, I'm on still. You want me to turn it off?
No, don't turn it off. FOP.
I have FOP.
Okay.
Is it cool if we ask him how many rounds we fired?
So 5. Well, he thinks we're not gonna.
What commander say? What's up?
Do you have Hayes' number?
Yeah, my personal phone.
All right.
So just we'll have him sit. Is this your car here?
Yeah.
Just have him sitting there.
Chief Hayes called me.
Okay. Let me.
Here.
You kind of hang out.
Okay, I got it.
Decompress.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm just angry.
Fuck, I bet, man. Did he try to run you over or something?
Yeah. Yeah, my patrol car was hit. So.
Glad you're okay.
I'm okay.
We're like right there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I'm glad.
good job, man.
Thank you.
You need a bottle of water or anything? Gatorade?
Water would be awesome.
Grab some.
Chief's coming from Broomfield.
Okay.
I think you should be done, obviously. Do you have your lawyer?
Yeah, but I don't know if I have my card on me.
Let me see if I have one.
Okay. Thank you. Caitlin? Hey. Okay. I need you to listen. I was just in shooting and I need you to calm me down. I'm okay. I'm okay. Got it. Not right now. Maybe in a second though. I need to make sure the scene's safe and I'm out of here before I can. No, not any officers hurt. The guy I hit is in the ambulance right now. Yep. Yeah, I'm okay. I just... There was just a drug use call that came over here, and he started the car as soon as I pulled out in front of him, turned my lights on, I blocked his forward traffic. As soon as I got out of the car to go contact him, he started the car. I got him out at gunpoint because I thought he was going to take off on me. I got him out, and then he ran back to the car, eventually started the car, rammed my patrol car, and then kept revving the engine. We tried tasing him twice. That didn't work. He backed up, put it back in drive, and then he came out. That's when I shot him. Okay. A little shaky. I want the two officers here. It's Mud Rocks.
I got blood on my gloves.
All right. Evan's here standing next to me, so let me see what he needs and I'll call you back. Bye.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to wait till Chief gets here. Then I'm going to go with you back to the PD. And you and I are just going to hang out.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Hey, do you have your FOP card?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let's get it done.
That's a good idea.
Just so they can be there when they get to
Yeah, if you haven't already, I would suggest contacting FOP. Do you have the FOP card?
Yeah.